niya po ba exactly kung ano po yung sinabi po ng Panginoon sa kanya? Sabi ng Panginoon, "Wag mong kakainin yung tree of good and of the tree of knowledge of good and evil." Tama po? Pero ano po yung ginawa niya? Sabi niya, "We may eat from the trees in the garden, but God say you must not eat from the tree that is in the middle of the garden." Meron po bang sinabi yung Panginoon natin na gano'n? Na middle of the garden? Wala po, 'di ba? How important it is to know every single detail of God's Word. Even the time of Genesis, tama po? From the time of Genesis, dahil nag-add si Eve rather, ng salita ng Panginoon, ano po yung nangyari sa kanya? They died, right? And even in the time of Revelation, ano po yung sinabi doon? You must not add and subtract to the words. Tama po? Mapag-aaralan po natin siya, pero makikita natin kung ano po yung importansya ng Bible study.